How to remove green screen in CapCut PC. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to remove a green screen in CapCut on PC. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the CapCut app on your PC. And now here, once you're inside the app, just click on Create Project to start editing. And now here on the next section, you can just click on import. And after that, from the pop-up menu, you can simply hover over your file and simply search for the green screen videos that you want to add. And now here, once you have added the videos into the CapCut, what you can do is simply drag that video into the main timeline. And now here, once you have added the video to the timeline, what you can do is simply select the video clip from the timeline. And after that, you can simply go to the middle top section, and there at the top, you will see several tabs. So from here, what you have to do is simply click on this option that says remove background. So simply click on it. And now here under the remove background option, you'll see three options. One is auto removal, second is custom removal, and third is Chroma Key. So here, if you don't want to bother by marking up the things that you want to remove, what you can do is simply select the Chroma Key. And here, once you have selected the Chroma Key, what you can do is just click on this option. And here, once you have done clicking it, you can just hover over to the videos, and there you can simply select the area that you want to remove. And here, once you do that, it will automatically remove the green screen from the video. And that's how you can remove green screen in CapCut PC. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.